Hey guys, my name is Farbod, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can use social media in order to grow your business in 2021, specifically if you're a beginner entrepreneur. So the main purpose of social media is to attract your lead, which then they're going to convert into a high paying customer or paying customers. So I want you to use social media accordingly to build your brand online in a way that you attract those leads into your business. Now there's two ways that you can go about this. One is organic marketing, the other one is paid ads. Specifically, if you're starting out, I would highly suggest you to start investing your time wisely. And by that, I mean you want to be investing your time on organic marketing strategies. So make sure your Facebook, your Instagram, or even if you're starting a YouTube channel, you can use that as well. So make sure you're putting out valuable content on a weekly basis that pretty much speaks and resonates with your target audience. And once you do that, then you kind of like build a community, build an audience of people who are interested in what you're saying. So at that state, you are at an authority, so they can like, trust, and people want to do business with you when they like and trust you. So make sure you do that strategy. It's very, very important. So let's look at the Facebook for example, okay? Now, Facebook, you can have your Facebook profile. Make sure you have a professional headshot of your photo. Then your bio, you mention, I help X, Y, and Z, whether you help highly driven, successful entrepreneur to lose fat in 21 days. Let's say that's like a fitness niche example. So depending on the niche that you do, you want to be very, very specific about who you help and how you help them. Okay, so make sure you do that at the bio. Your cover photo should be good if you have a Facebook group. If you already don't, I would highly suggest creating a Facebook group or community of your own where you are in authority. It pretty much sounds like, you know, you're a cult leader, but in a good way actually. Okay, so you're building a community so that people can believe or have the perception that you want to project on your social media. Okay, so make sure you create your own Facebook group and you have a Facebook page. Then utilize Facebook story. Same thing with Instagram stories. Now back to Instagram, you want to be posting 1 to 3 times a week ideally, or you could even post every day, as long as you're using effective hashtag strategies that kind of like attract your ideal customers or buyers. Okay, and YouTube as well. So the YouTube is that it's more like a Google, so the search engine optimization. So you create content that are of high value for other people. So hope these tips are helpful. If you do need more help, feel free to send me a message or book a free 30-minute strategy call with me, and I'll see how I can help you. Until next time.